What I want to show today is how to get a big screen display of Alexa calling. If you're using an Echo Show, you know it's only 10 inches max. So what I'm going to do here is I have my phone. I got a Samsung phone, so I'm using SmartView to cast, but you could use Chromecast. So my phone is casted up to the screen. I'm going to open the Alexa app on my phone, and I'm going to call my aunt, who is really just another unit I've set up here in my house. Call Rini.
Call Rini Tucson's Alexa devices.
Okay, it's making a call. I'm going to walk over to that device and just answer it. And just to let you see it's live, you can see my hand there. So that's all it takes. So we're having a video chat now with her. You can see me standing over here. Oh, sound works. I turned it down now. So that's all it takes is your phone casting to a large screen. Use Alexa calling on your phone and you're good to go.